thing is clapping, man. There was a cop that might have turned around for me. I don't know. Can't tell. But we're just gonna chill for right now. That kid was like, what the heck? Dang, transmission's gonna fall out that thing if you just keep hitting them potholes. Alright, we're gonna pull in right here. Yeah, there was a state trooper behind me. I couldn't let that happen, baby girl. Not today. Not today. Oh my God. Oh, that sounds good. Oh, she sounds really good. All right. Let's see here. Golly. You hear me? Alright. Let's get back on the road. There's a lot of cops out here today, man. I just want to get this done. Go home. It's really hot out here, and iPhone does not do well. Damn.
Trick or treat, so much.
help you?
Yeah, he was waiting for me there. He's having a hard time pulling out into traffic right now, so we're just gonna try and skedaddle. I told you, I knew he wanted me, and he knows I'm going this way. Yeah, he's pulling out into traffic right now. Oh my goodness. I haven't even done anything wrong yet. I've been literally just driving the speed limit. He probably wants me for my tints or something. I'm gonna go through this light. Yeah, so he'll get stuck at the light. I don't know, man. What the heck? Seriously? You stopped there for my tints? Because the car is not loud. Let me go this way. Let me go this way. Let me go this way. This way. I should have went up that way, but whatever.
City lights flicker bright, engine hums through the night, windows down, feel the breeze. Moments like these bring me peace. Neon signs glide in view.
Gotta be more careful with that clutch, but otherwise than that, he's doing really good. God, my hands are freezing.
Driving the moonlight, stars above shining so bright. Road ahead, clear and long, hearts racing, beats so strong. Memories fade, yet remain. Every turn new to